Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 8, slope point form. Okay, we had learned one thing called the slope intercept forms. And we're going to learn one more is called the general forms. Okay, these three are the major three forms in linear functions. Okay, they are different, but they are all very same and then they are convertible each others. Okay, so what's the difference between slope point form and then slope intercept forms? Okay, both things we got slope, right? We both have slope here. And then the differences is in slope intercept forms, we got a slope and a point, and that point must be fixed. It is 0, b point. The b is the y-intercept. Okay, when x equals to 0, b is the y-intercept. Okay, so we got this point, only this point. However, in slope point forms, we got any point we want. Any point on the line will make slope point forms. How to read slope point form here? We got y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So the x1 and then y1 are our point. Okay, any point. Okay, so the m still the slope. Okay, let's see a question here. Draw the graph y minus 3 equal to negative half x plus 5. Okay, let's using the traditional way. Let's find out what slope is. Slope equal to negative half. Okay, so which is the coefficient of the x. What the point is? The point is this number and this number. However, look this, y minus y1. So y minus 3. So y1 equal to what? y1 equal to 3. Okay, and then x minus x1. But however, here is x plus 5. That means our x1 is supposed to be equal to negative 5. Okay, that is only things you need to be careful. The point is not like these two numbers. Actually, it's kind of reversed. Must be y minus something, and then that is the point you're looking for. That is the value you're looking for. And then here x plus 5, which is the point of x value is negative 5. Must be careful this. Okay, and then once we got a point and a slope, we can use our traditional way looking for negative 5, 3. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, which is in here. They got a point here. Okay, and then we say slope equal to negative half. That means what? That means when we can say negative 1 over 2. When the x value moving right by 2, and then the y value going down by 1, right? Like that. 2, and then so this is run, this is risk, right? Risk is negative, that means going down. So this point is going right by 2, going down by 1. So we got this point, and then just draw the line. Finished. Make sense? That's how to draw slope point forms. Actually, it's not that bad, huh? All right, see next one. Here, we got a graph into equations. Okay, so if we got a graph here, and then we need to writing them into a slope point forms. Okay, so here is the reasons. These questions is the reason sometimes the slope point form is better than slope intercept forms. Let's see why. Okay, we got a line here. It's easy to find a slope. All right, we can just looking for a point here. For example, looking for this point, and then looking for this point. Why? Because they are just like on the whole dot here. Okay, on the grid. So I can just use these two, getting the whole numbers. I don't want the fraction numbers. Okay, so we got what? We got this is a negative 1, positive 1. We got negative 1, positive 1. All right, and then we got the other one is the 0 and 1 and then 0. 1 and 0. That means from here to here, when x value moving right by 2, the y value is dropped by 1. Okay, from here, from this one, 1, 2, and then the y value is dropped by 1. That means what? The drop by 1 over 2 will be, this is our slope. Okay, so slope is easy. However, if we are asking to writing the sloped intercept forms, we have to looking for, hold on a second, let me clean these things. we have to looking for this point here. Okay, this point. But this point is not a whole number, right? That is 1. Okay, this point is a little bit less than 1. But we don't know. It's maybe 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.4. It's really, really hard to say. Then it's really hard to decide based on the graph. Okay? So the slope point form is not, a slope intercept forms is not very accurate. Then the slope point form is coming in handy. Why? Because I know this point. I know that point is -1 and +1 here. I know this point. We say this is A point, okay? A point equal to this. We got A point equal to -1, +1. Now, because this is any point on the line, right? On the line. Good. As long as we know the slope, then y equal to what? -half, right? We don't write equal here. -half is our m here. Okay? The bracket, and the x minus what? Minus x value, right? Just writing the x value here. And then the y minus y value. Make them equal. And that's it. All right, let's see. Y minus 1 equal to -half x bracket, okay, plus 1. Now, that is our slope point forms. Okay, that is based on the graph. We got our slope point forms. All right, so I hope you understand this. I hope you learned anything. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. I try to answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.